Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Facebook name. So it's a pretty easy task to do. I'm heading over to my Facebook application. Once I'm there, I'm checking if I have logged into my desired account and then head over to the three lines on the top right and then head over to the settings icon. Now go to account center. Now in here, just head over to the profile section. Now select your Facebook profile. Now as we want to change our Facebook name, what we need to do is just to head over to the name section. And here change your first name, middle name and surname. And if you have other names, you can manage them with others. And here just tap on view change and then your new name on Facebook will be saved. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.